Hey everyone, it's Tom with Fresh Vintage Garage. We're doing something a little different here today. Quick backstory, Jay behind the camera there got a discount code for Temu from Danny at Nightshine Auto. Big thanks to Danny for that. So Jay spun the prize wheel and he got 7 free items. He just had to buy 3. And actually, so he got 10 items for the price of 3 kind of thing. And so he just texts me and he's like, guess what I did? And I was like, what? Are you serious? So according to what Jay told me what he ordered, there's at least 9 OBD2 type code reader or scan tools in here and a battery tester. I have no idea what's in here. I'm actually super excited. So we're gonna go ahead and open this right now and see what's inside. All right, I have no clue what's in here, folks. You've always asked yourself, is this stuff from Temu any good? Is it junk, to be frank? But we're gonna find out right now. And they literally, I have no idea what this is. So I have a V318 OBD2. Looks like a nice little code reader. I'll set that on the side over here. And what else is in here? Okay, so this is our battery analyzer. And this is actually a King Bolin branded battery analyzer. It's called the BM550, so super awesome to see this. We'll definitely be testing all of these, so make sure you stay tuned for all the upcoming videos on all these individual scan tools and battery testers. Let's see what else we have here. OBD2 diagnostic tool. I'm looking for a brand. There's literally no brand on this. This is great, I love it. OBD2 diagnostic tool, there's our brand, so we'll be checking that one out. And we have, oh, look at this, an MS309 Pro. I normally wouldn't open this, but because it's half open, I just want to make sure. Okay. I mean, here's the quality, just randomly looking at that one. So not too bad so far. Let me just close that up and I'll set it over here. And there's a whole lot more in here, folks. Okay, so we have a service engine soon. Service, oh, it says service check soon. Code reader. Again, no brand name. It just says CAN OBD2. So we'll be definitely checking that one out, doing a video on it. And there's still a lot more in here. Okay, so here's similar-ish. We were wondering if this would happen. So we have a red one and a black one. They both say MS309 on them. So now that I'm thinking of that, this was the MS309 Pro, now that I was just thinking about that. So we have 2 MS309s and a Pro. So I want to see what the difference between a Pro and a regular is. And let's see what else is going on here. Okay, so we had earlier, we had the V318. I guess we have the predecessor, the V317. So they definitely look different enough. I'm curious to see what the difference is between these two. So definitely watch for a video on both of these coming up here. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, looks like we have not 1 but 2 MS309 Pros here. So not super surprising that we had this happen, but it is cool to see. Okay, this one says Our Life as a brand, I guess, and then this one doesn't say anything. So, oh, it's Shenzhen Yuming Electronics. So 2 different slight brands, but look like they're the same scan tools. And actually, there's 2 more in here. Okay, so we have another MS309, so that makes 3 MS309s we have. And what else is in here? Okay, so we have another OBD2 diagnostic tool. So we have, looks like doubles. They are, in fact, the same exact thing. Let's see if there's anything else in here. No, that's it, folks. So that's all she wrote. So here's our finished product. So we're just going to go through these one by one. Temu.com, we got 10 total items, 9 scan tools, and a battery tester. So we have the V317, the V318. We have 2 OBD2 diagnostic tools. Let me just set these here. We have 2 MS309 Pros. Look like the exact same thing. We got 3 MS309s. One's in a bag, and the other 2 are actually in like plastic. And then we did get, this is probably the one brand name or branded product. This is a King Bolin battery tester. It's a BM550. So definitely excited. Definitely watch for the videos here, because not only are we going to check every one of these, because your question on your mind is this stuff junk? Is it worth it? Should you buy it from Temu? Or maybe you've seen something similar on Amazon. We're going to test all of this. We're going to run through them one by one and make individual videos. And then we're also going to do like top 5 cheap scan tools of Temu. So definitely watch for a video on that. So stay tuned. We're going to have a ton of videos on each one of these and kind of do some comparisons. Like, I really want to know what's the difference between the V317 and the 318, and then the MS309 versus the 309 Pro. But with that, if you like scan tools, if you like tech, if you like shop equipment, if you like talking about your garage and how to best utilize your garage to keep your cars on the road, Fresh Vintage's Garage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.